Stepping into the club now. I know you notice me. Wanna be your medal. First prize, although you cheat. Let's turn the lights.
Hey you guys, so I'm back with another wig review, and this wig is brought to you by Evahairwig.com. I will have all of the information along with the links to this wig down below in the description box. So before we continue into this video, I need you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and go ahead and hit that like button. It helps me out a whole lot. So as you can see, this is the wig. This is me just opening up the wig for the first time with you guys. As you can see, it's a lace front. It does have 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back, along with adjustable straps. Again, like I said, this is the first time I am opening up this wig. I'm showing you basically what it looks like straight out of the package. I did go ahead and cut the lace, of course, off camera, and I just came back to you. Now, the knots on this wig is not bleached, and I really wasn't feeling the fact that it just was really wiggy when I got it out of the box. But you guys are going to see later on how I kind of finessed this wig just to make it look natural. To me, I think it looks like I got a perm and just a nice little shortcut bob. So I did have to go in with my face powder along the perimeter because, like I said, the knots on this wig were not bleached at all. So, you know, I didn't want those knots to show. I did not have to adhere this wig to my head. I did use all of the combs, the one in the back and all of the ones in the front. And here you guys see me adding my face powder just to camouflage those knots so you don't see it, to make it look as natural as possible, and just to, you know, just not so wiggy because it was really wiggy when I got it out the package. So I must say that's the only thing that's basically the only con that I have. It's not shedding or tangling or anything like that. It just really looks like a perm, and it's so short. No one would think that this is a wig. Like, I don't think that it looks like a wig at all, especially when I was done with it. I'm just going in with my flat iron just to, you know, straighten it out a little more. I could have went in with my curling wand, but I really didn't want the hair to be curly. I wanted it to be straight. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And you guys know I will get back to you as soon as possible if you have any questions. Again, this is from Evahairwig.com. I'll have everything down below, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Stepping into the club now. I know you notice me. Wanna be your medal. First prize, although you cheat. Let's turn the lights up. Turn it out, turn it out. You and me like a face up. Building up, building up. Your head's in the blur 'cause of me. You're right where I want you to be. I got you locked up in my cage, you know. My head's in the spotlight. Your eyes don't lie. You gotta contain yourself. Heart's beating real loud now. Out of your body, so let it all go tonight. Alright, alright. I got you locked down. Wrapped around my fingertip. You're making this too easy. Try to grab me by the hip. I'll slip out of your grip. Let's take the back door. Let's go.